Hey everyone, welcome to my room tour of the Encore Hotel at the Wing. Let's get started. Everything in the room can be controlled by the switch next to the door, including the curtains, the lights, and the Do Not Disturb display outside the room. Now let's take a look at the bathroom. We have a spacious standing shower with a bench and a big soaking tub. We have double sinks, a big mirror, and even an old school, small flat screen TV. I don't understand the purpose of it, but it's there. There is also a separate toilet. The bathroom is spacious, clean, and well lit. In the hallway, we have a large mirror and a closet with plenty of drawer space and hanging space for your belongings. There's also a safe. Now let's move on to the bedroom. We have a huge California king bed, a TV that swivels to a living space, and a private bedroom ceiling. All lights can be controlled by the switch next to the door or by speaking to Alexa, and you can even open and close the curtains. You can also turn on and off the main lights or control the night lights and the Do Not Disturb display outside the door. We have floor-to-ceiling windows with a panoramic view of the strip. This is amazing. The lounge couch is very comfortable, and there is a side table. Then we also have a separate dining/office area with 2 chairs. There is also plenty of outlets for all your charging needs. The hotel surprised me with this beautiful and delicious chocolate tower for my birthday. The entire display is made of chocolate, including the base. And that concludes our tour of the Encore at the Wynn Hotel. I hope you all enjoyed the video and the breathtaking views of the Las Vegas Strip. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting travel videos. Thank you for watching.